Hello everyone, this is Professor Leon. I'm going to teach you how to format your works cited page. So let's pretend that this is the last page of your paper. The works cited page, or the works cited entries for that matter, should never go right after that last paragraph that you write. You should hit enter and go into the next page, the blank page that follows that last paragraph of your paper. What you want to do is you want to first center the title, and you want to put works cited. And the next thing that you want to do is you want to select everything and make sure that the line spacing is double. And then you want to set up your indentation. As you all know, MLA has a specific way to indent the entries in a works cited page. So you want to set it up to hanging, and you want to make sure that it's 0.5. Once you have that set, what you can do is start writing your entries. Now, this depends on what type of source you have. If you have a short work from a website, you want to start with the author's last name, comma, first name, period. I'm going to put, a generic name here. Now, if it's an organization or if it's a group, then you would start with the organization or the group's name. So for example, for American Medical Association. Okay, so whoever the author is, if it's a group or if it's an individual person, you always have to start with the author. Then you have to start with the title of the web page. This is not the actual home page title. This is the title of the page whereby you have gotten a quote or paraphrase a specific idea from this particular author. So that page has to be in quotation marks. So let's say that this author's page was titled Going to College. So you put the quotation marks, period, after the second closing quotation mark. And then what you want to do is write the title of the home page, okay, or the publication. And what you want to do here is you can either underline the title of the home page or the publication, or you can put it in italics. Right after college review, what you want to do is put a comma. And then right after that, you want to write the date of publication. So for the date of publication, you would put the date, you would put the month, abbreviated, and a period after the abbreviation, and then you would put the year. So basically this says that Going to College was posted or was published to College Review on December 14th, 2015. Right after that, what you would want to do is include the internet address of this particular work. Okay, so you want to start with http:// and whatever the internet address is. Now, with certain internet addresses, sometimes it's going to jump over into the next line. So again, you want to make sure that in your paragraph that you have your hanging indent at 0.5, and it'll automatically set it up to be indented right after the first line. Okay. Another thing that you can do is you can add the day that you accessed, you viewed this particular page. So to be able to do that, you want to put the word accessed and then the date that you accessed it. And again, the month is abbreviated. So if we don't have a date of publication, you can add the date of access, okay? Which you saw basically this particular article in College Review. So this is how you do a works cited for a web page and a website. The next thing that I want to show you is basically how to cite a personal interview. So let's say that you went out and did a little bit of field research, which is gathering data on your own, and you interviewed someone. What you want to do is you want to write the last name of the person that you interviewed, followed by the first name, and then you want to label what type of interview it was. If you interviewed this individual in person, then you would type personal interview. If you interview this person via email, then you would write email interview, and you would put the date that you interviewed this person. So let's say that you interviewed this person the 2nd of February 2017. Again, it would be the day, the month abbreviated, and the year. So that's it. That's how to cite a web page in a website, and also how to cite an interview that you conducted to someone else. If you have any questions, please email me.